So guys, welcome once again on this platform, and on this channel I teach you guys how to fix problems. So if you having any problem, just let me know in my comment section. And in this video I'll be showing you, or we'll be learning how to fix Facebook app not updating news feed. So let's get to our Facebook app. So as you can see, this is my Facebook app. Tap on it, and as you can see, when your news feed is not updating, what you have to do to fix this problem is, first of all, you have to go to your phone, then you try to search for Google Play Store. So when you find Google Play Store, just tap to open it, and now tap on the search apps and search for FB or Facebook. And as you can see, this is something went wrong, so let's try once more. So let me go to let me try to search for so before we tap on it, let's tap to open it, and now tap on search apps, then search for FB again. Boom, so we get it on our phone. So tap on it, and you have to update this Facebook app. Sometimes when you don't have the latest update, your news feed may not seems to work, or you are going to have a problem with your updating of news feed. So tap on update and make sure it updates to the let it start from 0 to 100. Do you get me? So after updating, what you have to do is to just clear everything over here like this, then you are done. Do you get me? Yeah. So after updating it, what you have to do next is to go to your phone menu and try to search for settings, and you tap on the settings button. Then now what you have to do is to try to search for apps and notification. Tap on it to open it, and you're going to see it's loading. After loading, what you have to do is to tap on the see your apps. So let's wait for it to appear. When it appears, tap on it like this, and now what you have to do lastly over here on this see your application and notification is to search for Facebook app. So let's wait whilst it's loading. So now search for Facebook. So tap on it, tap on the full stop, tap on OK, tap on notifications. Make sure every notification is still got on over here, which is really important. So now go back and tap on permissions. Make sure the permissions are all allowed over here and not denied. Now tap on storage and cache, clear the cache. Sometimes when the cache are a lot, it makes your Facebook feeds not updating or not working the way you want it to. Lastly, tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure the background data is still good on. Do you get me? It's really important. You have to make sure it's turned on like this. So after doing all this, what you have to do, don't log into your Facebook account, but rather tap on your power button for some while. And when you tap on your power button for some while, this is going to pop up. Tap on restart and tap on OK, and the problem is going to be fixed. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video.